So hi everyone, this side Karthik Bhaiya from Coding Vlogs, and I am here with a great announcement for all of you. That before moving on towards that announcement, I would like to thank each and every one of you for making our Coding Vlogs YouTube family of 100k subscribers. And in this particular news, we are actually doing a giveaway. So let me just tell you what all prizes are there in this particular giveaway. There are full-fledged CB courses that you can get for free. There are mobile phones, there are swag packs, there are Coding Blocks t-shirts, zippers, and we have textbooks that are specially curated for each and every course. We would be giving those particular things as well. So the first thing that you need to do in order to participate in this particular giveaway is you need to go to online.codingblocks.com. You need to sign up first. That is the basic condition. And once you are signed up, then you need to click on this login button. Once you log in into our site, then there might be a course that you want to get. If you are already enrolled into a particular course, then you can opt for some other course. And in case you are not enrolled in any, you can go and you can click on the explore all online courses, and there will be many courses that you'll see over here: master fan course, interview preparation, Java, dynamic programming, competitive programming. You can go for any of the course, but the basic requirement to participate in this giveaway is go to the course that you want and you don't have, and you want to get that particular course, then subscribe yourself to the free trial. Once you are subscribed into this particular free trial, then you can stand a chance to win the goodies that we'll be giving in this particular giveaway. And we would be selecting every hour 10 students for this particular giveaway, so there is a high chance that you'll get selected. So do participate in this particular giveaway. After you have done this particular thing, then you need to go to this particular link, cb.lk/giveaway1. So go to this particular Google form, and once you are here, then what you'll find that there would be certain details that you need to fill, right? So there is the name, email ID, phone number. Make sure that you enter these things correctly, because we would be able to contact with you. And then you need to provide your address details in case we want to make a shipment. So we need to have these details of yours, so make sure that you do, and then you click on the submit. So that is how you can get yourself enrolled or participate in this particular giveaway. So thank you so much guys for showing us this particular love and respect. We have been working for you since a long time, and we will keep on providing you with the great content, and we'll keep on working towards the betterment of the students. So thank you so much, and again, bye bye.